how the case was being handled by the current government. The body was found in undressed, half-dressed, and the doctor of our country declared war against the system. Family was told that the women died because of suicide. Roy was the part of racket and used to charge patients for the admissions and collect money. The current government of Bengal has so badly messed up the case. My daughter has committed suicide. That was the news. Parents kept begging to show their daughter's face, but parents was not shown. There was no clothes on her body. Her legs were in right angle. The spectacles were broken that caused blood to flow from the eyes. The neck was strangled and killed. These were the words of the parents of the victim of Kolkata rape case. What happened in Kolkata, not only the medical fraternity but the whole world is shocked. The kind of details that are coming out of the post-mortem report, the kind of information that is being coming on how the case was being handled by the current government, what efforts were being made to cover up. Obviously, people, especially doctors and students, are very angry. Now, let me present you the detailed video upon how the dead body of a woman was found in RGKAR Medical College. The body was found in undressed, half-dressed, and the doctor of our country declared war against the system. The semi-nude body was of the postgraduate trainee, that is a PGT, and she went to take rest in the seminar hall when she had her dinner with her junior at 2 a.m. She has taken the dinner after 36 hours of long shift, and one can imagine that how tired she must be by then. Since there was no restroom available, she went to the seminar room to take the rest. And in the morning, her dead body was found. The cover-up started from the very first call, I would say from point zero itself. The first call was made to her family, and the family was told that the woman died because of suicide. And from here, the story of rape, murder, gang rape started. When it is revealed that it is not a suicide, but a murder, sexual assault and rape, then they're held in autopsy. In autopsy, such disgusting details were revealed that the whole country came into shock. That the PGT doctor was strangled to death, how she was tortured genitally, and her thyroid cartilage was broken and was strangled in such a bad way. And the wound on her private part, the entire report goes up to 4 pages, that how the woman was assaulted at around 3 a.m. to 5 a.m. Her belly, lips, left leg, parts of her body was badly injured. Her mouth, nose were clamped and pushed against the wall so she couldn't scream. There was a scratch mark on her face, and there is a images that shows that the blood was coming out of her mouth and her eyes. And of course, the wounds on her private part are called the perverted sexual genital torture. When the mother reached the hospital on the information given by the authority that her daughter has committed suicide, then also she was delayed in seeing the body of her own daughter. The woman's mother has told the media that even after they reached the hospital, they were not allowed to see the body of her own daughter. Her mother said that she begged to let her daughter's body to be seen, but she was not allowed to see the daughter's body. The mother of the victim was shown the dead body of her own daughter after 12 hours of her death. After this incident, people and doctors were agitated about this situation. The police and the administrations were also pressurized. So the investigations were started and the accused was caught through the Bluetooth device near the dead body. For now, Sanjay Roy is an alleged accused, but the doctor fraternity is not ready to believe that Sanjay is the only accused. For now, Sanjay Roy is an alleged accused, but the doctor fraternity is not ready to believe that Sanjay is the only accused. Sanjay is seen in the CCTV footage. He was suspiciously roaming around the seminar hall. He is seen leaving the hospital area on Friday morning. The police later round up the suspect and called them for questioning. During the questioning, all mobile phones were taken. When Sanjay's mobile phone tried to connect, the Bluetooth device found near the body was immediately connected to his phone. So there was enough circumstantial evidence and he was arrested. Now let me give you certain information about Sanjay Roy. He is a civic volunteer in Kolkata police. Civic volunteer helps the police in various ways. They are basically contractual staff who is being recruited to assist the cops on various kinds of work, including traffic management, disaster response, and are paid rupees 12,000 salary per month. And they do not get the facilities that a regular police personnel get. He had an access to RGKAR Medical College and Hospital and used to roam around all departments. I mean, you see the power of this man that he is roaming around in all the departments of the college and hospital. Roy was the part of racket and used to charge patient for the admissions and collect money. And those who could not be admitted used to get them bed in the nearby clinic. A lot of pornographic materials from his phone was being received. He is addressed as a womanizer and had been married 4 times. He had been having a disturbing and a violent streak. All the marriages he were there into was terminated because of the reason of domestic violence. And since you see the irony that since he was having a history of physical abuse of his wife, then also he got access to police. The second reason for the public outrage, the current government of Bengal has so badly messed up the case and has shown such insensitivity that resulting to lot of people losing their cool. I can demonstrate one case. Dr. Sandeep Ghosh, the principal of RGKAR Medical College. When he was pressurized to resign, he firstly denied, and his statement was why the girl went there to take the rest. I mean, I don't understand how the principal whom we deem to think that he is very much educated, can make such an insensitive comment about a girl who actually struggled for her life. Her body parts are being torn into pieces. Her dignity was torn into pieces. She was disrobed. But still, the statement she got from her own principal was why she went there to take the rest after 36 hours of long duty. When the principal was pressurized, he resigned under the moral responsibility. But within 8 hours of his resignation, he was being shifted to Calcutta National Medical College Hospital. This made the student even more angered towards the situation. When the issue became too big, when the attempt to shift the light was revealed, after that, Mamata Banerjee came into pressure and she demanded that she want a death penalty for the accused. So now this was all about the case. I wanted to tell you people about it. I know the situation which has occurred in Kolkata. Trust me, being a girl, I am feeling unsafe and I know you must be feeling unsafe. But one thing we must know that we have to keep ourselves strong and justice will be delivered. Now I'll keep you updated with the progress in this case. Till then, thank you so very much and Jai Hind.